टॉपिक है जिस पे बहस काफ़ी पहले होनी चाहिए थी, पर आज हो रही है क्योंकि कुछ साल पहले, बल्कि पिछले साल ही हमने देखा एक रेप केस हुआ था दिल्ली में।
If you award death penalty for rape cases, there are major chances of misuse of it. For example, I may quote, if a girlfriend elopes with her boyfriend and after that the boyfriend deceives her, she can claim for rape. In that case, she wants the death penalty. But consider the opposite case. A girl deceives a boy after going into a sexual relationship with conviction and she leaves her. Then what? You don't have punishment for that. If a girl deceits, that's okay. If a boy deceits, you call it a rape. Secondly, spousal rape, that is marital rape. A husband forcing sex on his wife under section 376 of Indian Penal Code is considered as rape. Don't you think it will lead to honey traps? If I want property of my husband, I'll just say that, yes, it is a case of rape. And death penalty is to be awarded. Moreover, punishments in Indian Penal Code are given for 4 reasons. One is retribution, that is revenge. Second is deterrence, that is to prevent others from the same crime. Third is incapacitation. Incapacitation means preventing the accused person from repeating the crime. And the fourth is denunciation, that is disapproval. Now, there are not any other ways of denunciation. If you just grant imprisonment for it and the jails are well equipped to reform the person, don't you feel the society will get reformed? If you go on hanging people, okay, one more point to quote. Why it is hanging for death penalty and not any other method? Because hanging has been considered as the least brutal, least humiliating. And
टाइम अप, टाइम अप।
thank you. So that they can be reformed into a better person. As Honorable Kiran Bedi, when she addressed us right here, she told about a program, the reformal program which happened in the Tihar jail. She started with it, and with the promise that the person who is coming for one accusation doesn't repeat that crime. Don't you feel that will be a better step towards reforming the society? Because hanging of other person is not making other person frightful of that effect. One more thing, there are death sentences for murders. Are murders eliminated out of country? क्या मर्डर्स खत्म हो गए डेथ पेनल्टीज देने से? नहीं.
I would like to add another point to this. A guaranteed conviction rather than a harsher punishment will act as a better thing to, implement. Because if a rapist knows that yes, if I do it, I'll be caught, he won't do it.
तो आपको लगता है कि हमें एक क्रिमिनल पे अपने रिसोर्सेज वेस्ट करने चाहिए, उस पे खर्चा करें, उसको बिरयानी खिलाएं?
The point is, I would sum it in one line. We are just eliminating the symptoms without getting to the root cause.
Indian Court of Law says, may 100 persons be free for a crime, one innocent person cannot be charged. And if you grant death penalty to an innocent person, you cannot revoke that decision. And there have been 142 cases in Indian history till now where innocent persons have been prosecuted for the crimes they didn't commit.
मैम, और रेप कितने हुए हैं?
बहुत सारे, शायद कुछ रिपोर्टेड भी नहीं. But उसके लिए आप एक innocent, let me quote you with one example. Delhi Times states a 75-year-old man was acquitted by his maid for sexually assaulting her and raping her. And when it came to the prosecution, okay, she went hostile. Okay, so what impact do you think upon that innocent person who is not having it? And how do you see marital rapes in such context? Are you going to sue your husband just for every next day you enter into quarrel? I'm not saying. First of all, the loopholes which the Indian Penal Code is having, that are to be reformed. Convictions have to be there. Thereafter, you can ask for anything like that. Okay, and right to live is supreme.
मैम,
One more thing.
let me speak one question.
The point is, I can sense revenge here. We are here to find a solution. It is not a solution. We are eradicating the symptoms. To get to the solution, we need to get to the root cause, which are our patriarchal thinking plus the sexual repression. You are just killing the culprit. What about the people who will be committing it? Because every time you will hang a victim, there will always be a long army of criminals ready to be hanged. What about them? You are not finding a solution. You are just taking the revenge.
Sir, no solution has been suggested by you to curb this crime.
Well, I just got 2 minutes. I can suggest you right now.
Yes,
Well, the solutions I'll be telling you will be in a serial order. First of all, we have to change the mentality from the very root level, that is the family.
And how will you change that?
Let me speak.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm telling a boy is raised, he raised to be something very masculine, never to be a loser, to instill a supremacy. Whereas a girl is raised to be very feminine, to be delicate, and to be very submissive.
Guys, let me interrupt. Aggression is something that we cannot go with. Please be a bit polite,
I am being firm, that is being firm.
but I hope you're clear.
Sorry.
Secondly, how many of us claim here that we have not taken casually the events of eve teasing? How many times we have not smiled at our friend commenting a girl? How many times a girl has just said it with pride that yes, my brother is having 16 girlfriends and he's cheating on all of them?
Ma'am, this is the silence that is stopping you from this thing.
I talk about each and every person sitting right
My
here.
teacher always says that it is the silence that is taking down the country, not the violence. So
Yes.
this is the silence of your
That is what
female
I'm
friends
talking about. Everybody.
This is the silence of your female. The Constitution of India provides that you can file a case against the person who is eve teasing.
Let me conclude. That's what I stated in that 2-minute argument, although it was a very small time for it. Rape and molestation cases, if you cannot prove a claim, if you cannot just come up with evidences against it, you can be prosecuted under cases of adultery. I'll quote, Imrana, 28-year-old, was raped in Muzaffarnagar by her father-in-law, and the
You have
Sharia,
30 seconds.
and the Sharia, it came up with that having a physical relation with the son and the father at time is incestuous, and her marriage was cancelled as null. So this kind of loopholes, when they are prevailing in the system, you cannot ask unless and until you go for the reforms on your own society.
Ma'am, question.
And a guaranteed conviction.
Let me ask you a question. आप क्या
This country has thrown a lady out of a moving bus. People committing a crime, a very brutal crime, have left her in a vegetative state. How can I be proud of? I would like, if I had the power, I would give death penalty to all of them. When the news of death penalty came, that the three people that committed the crime, they were given death penalty. Newspapers were full of inspiration, that they said they were very happy that justice has been delivered. So I would say that death penalty is the only punishment that can be inflicted on these accused people. And no other punishment is there. Even if we give amputation, and let us take an example. If there is a politician and he commits a rape, obviously he is full of money. Even if we give amputation and any other kind of punishment, he will be released after a particular time, and again he will come in politics, and again he will commit any such crime.
What I meant to say, if a person is able to rape, then he is not at all allowed to live his life.
जिन्होंने डेथ पेनल्टी इन्होंने अलाउ की हुई है ना ही उन कंट्री से निकला जिन्होंने नहीं है, तो मेरे को तो इसका सोल्यूशन चाहिए कि इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है कि रेप बंद हो जाए। मैम ने कहा था कि इसको एरेडिकेट करना है, इसका कॉज एरेडिकेट करना है, तो आपकी तरफ से इसका कॉज क्या हो सकता है?
सोल्यूशन मैं आपको सिस्टमैटिक ऑर्डर में बताता हूँ, जैसे मैं बोल रहा था रुक गया था। सोल्यूशन अगर हम सीधा कैपिटल पनिशमेंट पे जंप करेंगे, सोल्यूशन नहीं आएगा। सोल्यूशन है पहले हमें फैमिली से करना पड़ेगा। बॉय को हम कैसे बड़ा करते हैं कि तू तगड़ा है भाई, तुझे ये करना है, ये करना है। हमारे पास प्रिस्क्राइब नोशन है बॉय कैसा होना चाहिए, कूल होना चाहिए। लड़की ने कैसे मना कर दी तेरे को? लड़की का एक प्रिस्क्राइब नोशन है लड़की को कैसे होना चाहिए। पहली बात हमें फैमिली से ये चेंज करना होगा। दूसरा, सेक्स एजुकेशन देनी होगी। Sex education is not about teaching about sexual organs and contraceptive method. Sex education है कि हमारे यहाँ जो puberty पे जो changes आ रहे हैं उन्हें कैसे deal करना है। अब सेक्स एजुकेशन सेकंड, इसको फॉलो करने के बाद इसके बाद हम कैपिटल पनिशमेंट पे जाएं तो ये एक सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है, वो भी सिस्टमैटिकल ऑर्डर में। क्योंकि अगर आप सीधे कैपिटल पनिशमेंट पे जाते हो, आपके पास लॉन्ग आर्मी है जिनको आपने फांसी पे चढ़ाना है और वो फिर आते रहेंगे। लेकिन अगर आप शुरू से मेंटालिटी चेंज करोगे तो हाँ, हमारे पास आगे एक चांस होगा ताकि हम रिफॉर्म ला सकते हैं।
सर मैं आपको काउंटर क्वेश्चन करना चाहता हूँ। आपने बोला उस लड़के को ऐसे पाल पोस के बड़ा करा जाए कि उसको ये ना सिखाया जाए कि मैस्कुलिन पावर क्या है या वो सब चीजें क्या है। आपको नहीं लगता कि उस चीज को एक पूरी जनरेशन लग जाएगी और आने वाले 25 साल में कितने रेप होंगे?
अच्छा, तो आप कहना चाहते हैं रेप से डेथ पेनल्टी से आप एकदम उसे रोक दोगे?
मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा, मैंने किसी भी पॉइंट की साइड नहीं ली। आई डोंट थिंक दैट दीज आर लाइक डेथ पेनल्टी इज वन सॉल्यूशन, यू आर फ्रेमिंग द अदर सॉल्यूशंस व्हिच आर अ पार्ट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, एंड आई हैव अदर थिंग्स इन माय माइंड लाइक लीगलाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोस्टिट्यूशन एंड द फैक्टर्स।
ये इस पॉइंट पे मैं आ रहा हूँ।
मेरे को आप मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए
मैं
कि
दे
एक
रहा हूँ।
जनरेशन जो बीच में पढ़ रही है उसको आप कैसे टैकल करेंगे कि अगले 25 साल के रेप्स को।
देखो, आप अगर आप बिल्कुल इमीडिएट फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हो कि रेप एकदम से रुक जाएंगे, दैट इज नॉट समथिंग पॉसिबल। आप उसके अकरेंसेस कम कर सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आपको फ्यूचर का सोचना है, हम हमेशा क्या सोचते हैं, फिलोसफिकल आइडिया, यार ये तो बकवास करें, फिलोसफिकल है तो इसे छोड़ो। लेकिन ये मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, फिलोसफिकल आइडियाज ही हैं जो हमें आगे पहुंचा सकते हैं। अगर हम अभी से काम करना शुरू करेंगे तो ही हमारे पास फ्यूचर में दिखेगा, नहीं तो आप हमेशा इमीडिएट फ्यूचर के बारे में बात करते रहो।